Good day, everybody. Welcome once again to Flickr Brain. If you're interested in learning how to make money with your Google AdSense account, I share tips and strategies on this channel. You can quickly hit the subscribe button if you want to get my content anytime I post. Okay, so for this new month, let me show you guys what we have done so far on some of the accounts we worked on last month. Okay, and I'll give you guys some tips for those of you that are on Arbitrage too. Okay. So over here, you can see this is my AdSense dashboard, and I think I've showed you guys this dashboard a couple of times. I think, yeah, I've showed these guys this dashboard last month. So you can go on my channel and check it out. So you can see what we balanced for last month's work. You can see $11,000 was balanced, and you can see what we have done so far for this month. Even today so far, you can see what was generated. And from the dashboard, you can see that the traffic I'm using here is arbitrage and loading. The loading I'm working with is a automation method which I work with my bots. I have a bot software where I used to generate traffic. Okay, so this automation system is very genuine. The traffic is very pure. If you look at my earnings, you're going to see everything. You can see even the amount of clicks. Though these clicks, the reason is this high is because you cannot control the clicks that is coming from an arbitrage. Well, maybe the traffic coming there, you cannot control the humans on clicking it. So sometimes it really is to go up. So what we use is the bots. We use the bot to send much page views so that this CTR will drop. That's why you can see that the CTR is actually low. So the strategy I work with is a safe method, and for yourself you can see over here that it's a safe method that you can work with without having panicking for hard limits or any situations. And you can even see what we have balanced for this month. Even last payment on this account was received. And I have many accounts I'm working on. Even this particular account I showed you now is a partnership account I'm working on. So the many of you that booked partnership for last month have already started pushing in traffic on their sites. So if you're interested in this strategy, you can check out the link in the description box. You can see my contact info and you can reach out to me so we can work together. All right. So you guys stay tuned. I'm still going to drop more content. I'll give you guys more strategies on how to work perfectly on your accounts. Okay. See you guys in the next video.